Good day, ladies and gentlemen. When on this video, we are going to learn how to convert binary numbers to decimal numbers. So when we use this method, we have to familiarize ourselves with the powers of 2, which I've already had them for you here. 2 to the power 0 gives us 1. 2 to the power 1 gives us 2. 2 to the power 2 gives us 4. 2 to the power 3, 8. 2 to the power 4, 16. 2 to the power 5, 32. 2 to the power 6, 64, etc. So now when we are converting, we have to consider the powers of 2, like I label them here. So for example, let's say we are asked to convert 10010 to decimal. So now when they want us to convert this to decimal, we just have to come to our table here. We're going to put the numbers according to the table. So for example, we have from our right hand side, we have 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. So we have 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. So where we see 1, we are going to take that number. For example, here we have 32. We have 16 plus, okay, 16. Another way to do this, we can say 32 times 1 gives us 32. 16 times 1 is going to give us 16. 8 times 0 gives us 0. 4 times 0 gives us 0. 2 times 1, 1. 1 times 0, 0. So we are going to add all these numbers and we're going to see what do they give us. So 32 plus 16 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1 plus 0 gives us here is 2, ne? 2 times 1 is going to be 2, sorry. So it gives us 50. So this is going to give us 50. Therefore, 110010 is equivalent to 50. Okay, so let's check another example. Let's say we are asked to convert 10001 to decimal. So we're gonna come here and put this number, these binary numbers according to its lining. So we have 1, we have 0, 0, 0, 1. So this one, we are not going to consider them. So 16 times 1, we're gonna have 16. 8 times 0, we have 0. 4 times 0, we have 0. 2 times 0, we have 0. 1 times 1, we have 1. So when we add these numbers, 16 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1, it's going to give us 17. Therefore, 10001 is equivalent to 17 in binary numbers. So that's just how simple you can, that's a simple method you can use to convert binary to decimal. There are a lot of other methods out there. You can also comment if you think this method is difficult. I'll post another video which has another method. So to watch how to convert a binary, how to convert decimal to binary, you can also check the video here. And if you want to learn how to add decimal numbers or binary numbers, you can also check the video on this playlist here. Okay, thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, né? Thank you.